Good news, everyone! I'm coming to you from White Mountain National Forest in New Hampshire. To say my time here has been anything less than interesting would be an understatement. The first night I got here, it was raining. So after the rain subsided, I decided to take Duke on a little walk. And I was assaulted by a armada of mosquitoes and bugs. Ooh, man, I never seen 'em so thick. That next morning, I was awoken by Duke half barking. So I rolled over to calm him down, and I noticed that there was a hiker walking through my camp. So those, in conjunction with having no internet, decided that maybe I should try to find a different place. So I drove around looking for a different place. All the other places were either taken or the roads were closed. So I came back here. And good thing I did, because that next morning at about 4:30 in the morning, I was awoken by Duke half barking again. And I'm figuring, well, maybe it's another hiker. Or maybe it's just something in the woods and I would not ever know what it is because I got morning eyes and can't really focus. So I rolled over and looked out the back window. And I was staring face to face with a moose. This moose was huge, staring in, not up, in my back window. And when I rolled over, must have made Duke change from him looking out the side window to him looking out the back window. And he saw this moose too, and he went full out barking. That moose turned and hightailed it out of there. I was wondering what that moose was thinking about. Also, what Duke was thinking about. That was my first moose. And also, Duke's first moose. And besides the moose, we had some awesome times doing a hike, and I also took some drone footage. So, let's watch the drone. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed my time here. I was wondering how the White Mountains got their name. Some say that it was during a survey where the White Mountains were snow-capped, and they were known as White Mountains. Others say that it was the white rocks that gave them its name. Who knows? You decide. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also comment down below. Thanks for watching. So Duke about killed me yesterday. He was dragging me up the face of Cherry Mountain. He was on a wild moose chase. Ha! I got jokes.